Want to know how to use the media tab in WordPress.com, that is adding various images or free pixel images that you can find. So first things first, you need to just simply make sure you are under your created websites WP admin. So it's super simple to enter it. So if you don't know how to, we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now once you're under any one of these two, that is post or pages, just simply select any one of the existing pages or posts that you had created. Now once you're there, here you should be on the editing page right here. Now on the top left side you should see this plus icon, just simply select it. And now since we want to know how to use media, just simply select medias right here. That should be right beside patterns. Now here you should be seeing various categories loading up. So Pixel's free photos defines the free photos that you can find all the way, that you can drag and drop in your canvas. You can just sort it up, anything that you like, and it should be showing up. And that's it. Next thing is Openverse. Openverse is the same thing, but you can sort up more vastly and with different niches. So this is also really great for various images or free images that you can find. Next thing is the simply images. That stands for the images that you had imported to WordPress from your device. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.